to the arch of the other foot. Zip the legs together, hands on hips. Feel super beautiful, strong, and imagine you're wearing a tight, tight skirt all the way down to your ankles. Tight. Now siéntate, sit. No opening, close. High heel, beautiful high heel shoe, and pose. You're on the red carpet. Everybody, we're on the red carpet. Right? The Grammys, whatever, Emmys. I love it. Arms up, back leg bent. Check it out. Lift up, drop down. Tighten, release. Shorten the muscle, lengthen the muscle. Tighten, let go. Pull it up, drop it down. Pull it up, drop down. Now can you squeeze your glute? Can you squeeze your butt? Boom. Tighten, butt. Up, down. Just a little faster, please. We go 8, 7, 6. Don't let the upper body move. 4, 3, 2, and change. Heels kiss. Woo! Feel those thighs. Squeeze. Tight mermaid dress. Sit down. High heel. Tuck, lift, roll. Arms, sit. Lift, drop. Tighten, squeeze your glute. Tighten, punch. Lift up, punch. So we're using obliques, and we're also using our glute to create that sharp accent. Hip drop, a little faster. Lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop. Good. Make sure your back leg is soft. Do not straighten your back leg. You'll look like Barbie. Okay, back leg bend and hold. Shimmy. Hup. Shake it out. Inhale. Exhale. So we're working hard because after water break, we're going to put all of this together. Okay, so hang in there with me. Let's do it again. Hip drops, heels kiss, slide, squeeze, plie, releve, tuck, lift, roll, arms, lift, drop. Now upper body, quiet. Don't let the upper body distract. Show me the beauty in your hip. Here's 4, 3, 2, and change. Kiss, slide, squeeze, plie, releve, tuck, lift, roll, and sit. Lifting, drop, and drop. Good, down. Where's the accent? Pop quiz. Where's the emphasis? Down or up? Down, 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 down. Last 5, 6, 7, other side. Boom, we're gonna add on to this. Squeeze, plie. Hey cutie, that's okay, jump on in. Lift, roll, and drop it. 1, 2, ladies, speed it up. Hup. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Here's 8, 7, good. 6, jump in cutie, you got it. 4, 3, 2, and change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop it down, 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 down. Now what am I doing wrong? I opened up the legs, right? Keep it closed. What am I doing wrong? Get my foot. And 4, 3, 2, shimmy and breathe. Fantastic. We're going to build on this. Inhale. Exhale. Remember, we're building. We're working towards a goal after water break that we can put some of this stuff together. Check me out. Heels kiss. Let's introduce a pas de bourrée, but I'm going to start it as a walk. Give me a high heel shoe. We're going into footwork. Foot pattern. Check me out. Step, 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 and hold. Step, step. I want everyone to do this bass with me. March, 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 tap, pose. March, 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 tap, pose. Notice how my body starts to turn. Pose to give a little profile. A little profile. Can you exaggerate that a little bit? Can you show me your side? to go a little faster. 5, 6, 7, and walk, 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 walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Arms. Hug and press. Hug, extend. Hug, extend. Cross and open. Cross. Yes. Cross and open. Last time. Freeze, hold. With the feet, arms. Follow me up to tempo. Walk, 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 and hold. Again. Hup. Walk, 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 and hold. Again. Hup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop, 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 drop. Walk, walk, walk. Hup. Down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're doing it. Good work. Walk, 2, 3, 4. Again, 2 more. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop, 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 drop. Last time. Hold it here and freeze. Touch, straighten. Balance with your arms. You really need your arms now. We're going to do a little extension from the knee to the big toe. In ballet, they call it a strike. In jazz, they call it a brush. In belly dance, sometimes we call it a kick. Boom. Touch, kick. Last time, hold. Other side, and walk, 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 and hold. Other side. Touch, straighten. I want you to recognize a few things. Number 1, the extension comes from the knee. Number 2, we try to point the toes as much as we can. And number 3, we have a nice straight line. How do we get a straight line? Show me the front of your foot. Show the audience the top of your foot. Yeah? Last time. And hold. Pas de bourrée, walk. Walk, 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 and hold. Check me out. Touch, kick, touch, slide, touch, strike, touch, push, touch, release. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you incorporate? Can you layer a little hip drop over that? Don't overdo it. Don't let it throw your jam off. Here's 4, 3, 2, and hold. Walk, 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 and touch, kick, balance, balance. So we're doing hip drop with a kick, hip drop with a brush. Whoop, whoop. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Drop it down. Kick, drop, 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 kick, drop, last 4, 3. This is not easy, I know. And hold. Walk, walk, walk. Combination. Listen up. Basic 2, 3, 4. Walk, walk, walk. Basic 2, 3, 4. Hip drop, kick. Drop, kick, walk, walk, walk. You got me? Drop, kick, from the top. Basic, hup, hup. Basic 2, 3, 4. Walk, walk, walk. Basic 2, 3, 4. Pas de bourrée eventually. Add a kick. Drop, kick, walk, walk, walk. Chest up, drop, kick, drop. Can you do it one more time? Show me your best. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and basic 2, 3, 4. Let's add that kick. Drop, kick, and one more time. You got this. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And hold. Shimmy. Whew. Not bad. We'll go back to it. Leave it alone. Inhale, exhale. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. I want to move on. Undulations. Check me out. Undulations. Heels kiss. Take this heel, jam it into the arch, grow tall, belly in, balance. Hold that tummy in like you're wearing a tight dress at a gala and you just ate a whole pizza. Suck it in. Ready? Push front, pull back. Okay, so what's happening here? If you've been coming, you know this. This is good review for you. If this is new, I'm going to take you from the beginning. We're starting with what we call a weight change from the belly button down to the toes. The chest is not moving, just hanging out. Check me out. It's very small, okay? Smaller is better, okay? Notice the shift. How do you know if you're shifting? Feel it in your feet. Weight in the toes, weight in the heels. Can you do that for me? Can you feel your feet? I can't do it for you, but connect with you, okay? Hey, Miss G, love ya. Push front, pull back. Last time, hold neutral. Arch your back, stick your little butt out. Like a peacock. Now, tuck your belly in, soften the knees a little, and suck your belly in like you're putting on the tightest pair of jeans of your life. Arch, stick your butt out, contract, suck it in belly, high school jeans. Arch your back, suck your belly in. A little faster, please. Arch, contract, lower back, lower abs, lower back, lower abs. Beautiful. I want you to feel those lower abdominal muscles pulling deep, working deep. Less of your booty, more of your belly, okay? So be careful of this. See how I'm accenting here? A little, a whole lot. A little, a whole lot. Here's 4, 3. I'm going to put this together. Listen up. Arch, push, contract, pull back. Arch, push, contract, pull back. And arch, push, contract, pull back. Arch, push, contract, pull back. Belly wave, pelvic wave, undulation. Don't overthink it. Just like the hair, let's go back to the 80s. Remember the body wave? But keep it here. Pelvic undulation. Don't overdo it. Just think, I'm going to wave my pelvis forward and back like a wave in the ocean. Push front, pull back. If what I'm saying is too much info, just go with what you see. If what you see is confusing, go with what you feel. Think about a body wave in the lower body. Push, pull, last 4. Beautiful. 3, it's not easy. These are not easy. 2, I know. Last time, rest. Shimmy face front. Good work. Undulations. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Beautiful. All right, check me out. Let's add those here. Let's play with those a little. Heels kiss, slide, squeeze, plie, releve, tuck, lift, roll, arms. Give me 5, 6, 7. I want step, step, march, 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 step, what? Step, pas de bourrée. Step, step, march, 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 step, step, watch what we add. Roll, roll, pas de bourrée, roll, roll, step, 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 roll, roll, step, 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 rush, roll, roll, step, 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 brush, brush, 1, 2, 3, brush, brush, don't be afraid, add the arms, give me brush, brush, 1, 2, 3, brush, brush, 1, 2, 3, undulate, undulate, walk, 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 we'll clean it up after water break, walk, 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 good job, open up the feet, take a deep breath, we're going to get some water, inhale, exhale, release your spine, please. Full spine roll all the way down. Look at your belly button, roll it up, chin to chest, curl, curl, curl. And inhale, full lungs, feet forward, inhale. Exhale, grow tall, grab your wrist, a slight side bend. You can do it, you can do it. Other side, grab that wrist, slight side bend. Fantastic, open up. All right, take a minute, minute and a half, get some